Meaning of impedimenta.
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 Impedimenta. Impedimenta is a term that refers to the various items or baggage carried by an individual. This can include anything from personal belongings to supplies necessary for travel or work. Impedimenta are often seen as a burden or obstacle, as they require effort and resources to manage and transport. However, they can also be seen as essential tools or resources that enable an individual to accomplish their goals. Ultimately, the interpretation of impedimenta depends on the context in which it is used, and the attitude of the individual towards the items they carry.